What's up, YouTube? So today I went to Base Pro Shops and I bought the Penn Slammer 3 8500, and I bought the Spinfisher VI 10500. Now these reels by Penn, they're pretty much expensive. For the Spinfisher VI, I spent $249, and for the Reel Slammer 3, I spent $319. So a total of $617 for both of these reels. And you know, a lot of people say, you know, the Spinfisher and the Slammer, they're the best ones out there. So, you know, I had to get them. But I bought them this afternoon. I'm gonna do an unboxing and an in-depth review of both of them. I actually have them right here on top of the table. So if you see right here, you know, both boxes are still sealed right there. You see that? The Slammer 8500 and the Spinfisher 10500. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, and I'm gonna do one video on the Spinfisher first, and then I'm gonna do the Slammer 3. So subscribe, stay tuned to my channel. If you guys want any kind of reviews on a certain fishing item, let me know. Let me know in the comments, like the video, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. All right, I am gonna be uploading a lot of stuff in this channel, so stay up to date with it, okay? You got it, guys. All right, so let's get with this unboxing then. Okay, so right here we have the Spinfisher VI 10500. This is the box, sealed. That's what they have here. This is in French. Let's see right here. All right, so let's look at the specs. Okay. Here it is in English. Alright. IPX5 steel body and spool design, CNC gear technology, HT100 carbon fiber drag washers, 5+1 sealed stainless steel bar bearing system, full metal body, triple line spool, line capacity rigs. Alright. So let's open this baby up. Let's not wait any longer. Oh. Let's see what it says here. By using state-of-the-art software and machinery. Yeah, who cares about all that? Let's get to the fucking box already, alright? Alright. Wow. So it's one big piece only. So let's put this over here. Let's put this over here real quick. Alright, so there's more stuff in there. Alright, let's see here. This is like the parts guide. This is spinning reels instruction manual. That's like a little structure manual. And a little washer. Alright. So let's open the reel up. Whoa. This is big. Alright. Tighten this up first. There we go. Wow. Look at this. This is like huge. Whoa. It's almost the size of my face. What do we have here? So this is the Spinfisher. It's pretty big. Nice quality, nice color. Aluminum body. So what we're gonna do, check this out. Wow. So what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna take it apart so we can take a closer look of how it is inside and everything. So let me go ahead and open it up. All right, we're gonna go into an in-depth review. So this reel comes, sealed, meaning, you can submerge this in the water. I heard a lot of people, they give their reel a good beating, their Spinfisher VI a good beating, and it still works without having to do maintenance on them. So a lot of people have been giving a lot of good reviews on this little reel here. So let's get there. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Let's take this off. Take this off. So this is like a quick review of it. This is all aluminum. Let's put this right here. Take a look at this right here. This looks different. My Penn Spinfisher 3 does not actually have this. Well, that's pretty nice. Alright, so let's see what else we have here. Let's take off the Hey guys, so I managed to pull apart some of the parts on it. And this is like a little quick, in-depth review of the reel itself. This is all aluminum. Yeah. Nothing like that. Nothing like what they sell at Walmart. This is pretty nice. This is the handle itself. It says Penn on there. Very nice grip to it. I have the Penn Spinfisher 3 live liner, and mine doesn't come with that little thing right there. With that thing right there, doesn't come with it. I wonder what that is right there. Looks nice. Penn Spinfisher VI. IPX5 sealed. 5+1 bearing system. 43 inches per turn. So yeah guys, this is a quick review of the Penn Spinfisher. There's nothing much in the box, just the reel itself and some instruction manuals. Let me know what's your favorite reel, and how much are you willing to spend on one. Coming right up is also the unboxing with the Slammer 3. So like and subscribe guys. I'm gonna be uploading this next video soon. Like, comment below what would you like me to do a review of, and keep up to date with my channel. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, keep in touch, and see you all soon later.